How to schedule a post on Instagram. Scheduling a post on Instagram is quick and simple. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. 2. Check if you have a professional dashboard, which means your account is set to professional mode. 3. If you don't see it, tap the three lines in the top right corner, scroll down to Account Type and Tools, and select Switch to Professional Account. 4. Follow the steps to switch. Choose between Business or Creator. Both are free. Once done, tap the X to exit the settings. Now that you have a professional account, you can schedule a post. 1. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center and select Post. 2. Choose a photo, tap Next, then tap Next again. 3. Scroll to the bottom and tap More options. 4. Look for Schedule this post, toggle it on, and set your preferred date and time, e.g. tomorrow at 10 a.m. 5. Tap Done, go back, and hit Share. Your post will be published at the scheduled time. That's it. Now you can schedule Instagram posts with ease. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.